Riviera palette. Hi guys, Michaela is here, back with another video. If you're a new watcher, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and hit the little bell so you can be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. Now to get to the point of the video, you guys are here to see me use the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Sis, when I first saw this on Trend Mood and then Anastasia posted it, look at it. Beautiful. I didn't get anything else from the new spring collection by Anastasia. She has 3 highlighters and the dewy spray. I only picked up the eyeshadow palette. The highlighters, they're a little bit too chunky for me, so I had to pass, but the dewy spray I will be getting. In this video, I will be using this Riviera palette. I did not know where I was going with this look, so I basically freestyled it. I do have some commentary in the video, but my full thoughts will be at the end of the video, so just keep on watching to see that. But yeah, we're gonna keep this intro nice and short because no one got time for long intros. Let's see how I got this pink and purple and gold eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off. Got my bonnet chronicles. About to start doing bonnet chronicles. First thing is first, the packaging is actually really nice. I really like it. But she always has bomb packaging, so nothing new. Oh my god, like this packaging, it feels so good. If you know, like her previous palettes had like this velvet suede type of material, which I really wasn't too fond of, but this packaging feels really good. This will stain though, so hopefully mine, it has a little stain on it already, but this will stain the actual palette. I'm just gonna use the brush that the palette came with just because I need a brush. I'm gonna go in with the color Bahamas. I hope the camera is doing justice, but this is a very pigmented pink. Like, oh, it almost looks neon. So I did use a light base so the colors will pop more, and it literally looks neon in person. Literally the camera is not doing justice and I'm gonna have to fix it, but it's so nice. Like, oh, I see you, ABH. I see you, girl. It does have a little bit of kickback. You can see just a little bit of kickback though. It's all. I'm taking Monte Carlo right here and I'm gonna place that in my transition. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the Bahamas color. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to go in with this color Coastline, which is like a pale, not a pale, but like a peachy color, actually. To me, it's a peachy color. I'm taking Coastline and I'm just going to buff out all that shadow. In with a tighter detailing brush, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful purple color in the color Canes. I'm going to put that onto my outer V area and into my crease. I'm gonna go back in with a fluffier brush and I'm just gonna add more of Bahamas to my crease because I want more pink to pop in this eye color look. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go in with Monte Carlo and build that back up where I put it the first time. I'm just going back adding more color because I feel like I didn't go as high enough. So now I'm going back to add a little bit more of the Cane's color. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C12. My crease. So what I can say is, if you're doing a cut crease with these eyeshadows, wipe your lid first so you won't get color transfer, or you know, the cut will be clean, because I just had a little bit of difficulty with this. So now I know the pink was messing up the base as I was cutting it, so pink kept bleeding through and getting on the brush and making my base mess up. So a little fact, I think because this is like a pressed pigment or whatever, but yeah, clean your eye before you cut your crease if you're doing a cut crease, because yeah, that's what you have to do. Now I'm gonna take this color Inheritance, which is this beautiful yellow gold color, and I'm gonna put that on the inner portion of my eye. What is this called? Palermo. It is the sparkly pink shade, like right here, and I'm gonna put that on the rest of my lid, and I'm gonna blend it in with the Inheritance color and the Cane's color. Okay, so after blending and blending and blending, my eyes are to my liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. Wow. I'm gonna line my eyes with my liquid eyeliner. This is the NYC liquid eyeliner. I'm not gonna do a wing eyeliner. I'm just gonna do that thin to thick eyeliner that some people hate, some people love. I personally love it, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go back in and just blend out the edges of that eyeliner with the Cane's color, just to blend it in, smoke it out. Okay. So now the eyes are partially done. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm going to add my lashes, do my foundation and everything, and then I will come back and we'll finish off the look. Okay, so now I already finished my face. If you want to see a foundation routine, I will link it in the card right here. It's just the same old foundation routine that I've had forever. Now I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Kohl eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. I go in with this Morphe 222 brush, and I'm going to add shadow down underneath my eye to complete the look. Just going in with the same colors I used in the eye. I'm going to start off with Bahamas and blend that underneath. I am going to take my Fenty Beauty highlighter Kilowatt in the shade Mean Money Hustle Baby. Go in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated in the shade Lit. And with my e.l.f. Cosmetics blush palette, this is the shade Dark. I'm going to take this one, this color, and apply that as my blush color. I'm gonna go to the lips. I'm gonna keep the lips nice and soft. This is like my favorite combo ever. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Giordano Quick Line pencil, if you can see it. The shade Currently, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Back Talk. It's just this nice pinky color. I'm gonna use that as my lip. I'll be taking the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow, her original, and I'm just gonna put that on top of everything. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I just threw a scarf on because your girl has a braid out, and I'm not taking these braids out because I'm not going nowhere. So this is the final look. Okay, so to buy or not to buy. If you're a fan of Anastasia Beverly, then I would say to really go out and buy the palette, because she doesn't have a palette with such bright, beautiful colors. It is a little bit of kickback with the shadows, as I showed you guys in the video, so you can see the kickback, the fallout or whatever. But the colors are beautiful. They're pigmented. They're very smooth, especially the shimmer shades, the metallic shimmer shades. They're very smooth. They feel like butter almost. The only cons is the kickback. I don't know if it's the base that I used underneath my eyeshadows to cut my crease and everything, but the colors did not blend as well as I wanted them to on the base. But I've seen other people use them and they blend beautifully, so maybe that's my fault. Maybe I have to find another base that works well with these shadows. You know, say it is a good investment, because I don't think she's gonna come out with another palette with colors like this, because you know she's all on her neutrals and everything. But I just wish she had more blues in this palette. Like, she has the pinks, she has the purples, and she only has 2 blue colors, like 1 and 2. She needs more blues, but I'm definitely gonna do another look with these 2 blues incorporated. But I like the palette overall. The colors look so bomb. But if you guys like this look, let me know down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified on when your girl posts a video. Follow all my social media links. They will be listed down below. Let me know if you want to see me do another look with this Riviera palette, because honey, she a nice one. But yeah, until next video, y'all.